Hey, what's up guys, it's BarbaraBeauté and I'm back on your screen with another video. If you don't know already, it's Haitian Flag Day. So gang, go Zo gang. Zo gang, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Tout Haitien, happy FET DRAPO. Haiti gang. Haiti gang, what's good? Haiti gang. Haiti gang, Zo gang, what's good? Zo gang. Am I even in focus? Zo gang. Haiti gang. You mad or not? Today I have this Haitian Flag Day inspired eyeshadow look. If you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so per usual, the first thing we're going to do is prime. I'm going to take a combination of my Ardell and see, I haven't done a tutorial in so long. It's the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the color Eden. I'm going to mix that in with a little bit of my ColourPop concealer in the color Deep Golden. Trust me, this is gonna I'm going to take this Crown Deluxe blending brush to buff it in, and you want to just like pat, because we're going to be working with some bright colors. At the same time, we're blending the edges. So we're going to pat the lid and blend the edge. Trust me, this all counts in how your makeup applies. And you see how that base just looks. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I know I'm always having some kind of difficulty, right? So yeah, this is gonna go in my inner corner, and I'm gonna take this pretty high up. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna take it pretty high up. And I like how it's looking already. I like to do my lower lash line after I do concealer, so look at that later. So I'm patting first. Again, this is a NYX like single eyeshadow. I'm gonna take it a little bit further just so that when I put down the other color, it blends. Bro, it is the 17th and I'm recording this. Woo! Your girl is late. Anyway, I was just buffing out the edges. Now, before I get too far ahead, I'm going to do a brow bone highlight here. I'm going to take my Revolution Marvelous Mattes. I'm going to take the number 12, I guess. It's like the pastiest white color. And that's going to be my brow bone highlight. It just brings out the colors more. See how that just brings out my brow bone? Oh, there we go. In the fullness of your grace. Ugh. I hate when I'm doing my makeup and I see hairs under my brow. Oh my gosh. Anyway, for my next trick, I'm going to take the number 2. It's the red color. Do you guys know how hard it is to find a red? I'm going to take my Sedona Lace EB13. I use this in every tutorial. Literally. And I'm just going to put that right on. Put that right on. Now I really have to be careful at the center because I don't want it to turn purple on me. I really don't. But you'll want to take this all the way up for that exaggerated look. I might check it out as well. See what I'm doing there? It's magic. Do you believe in magic in a young girl's heart? And the music can be free, wherever it starts and it's magic. The music is groovy. Oh, this red is gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm so impressed with this palette. Besides it just, the whole it just broke part. Okay, we're gonna blend that edges out of that later, but I'm just gonna do the other eye here. And make sure you blend into your brow bone highlight. Oui. No. Jesus Christ. Lessa. Alright, so I'm gonna go in between. I'm placing down that red and I'm lightly, because I don't want it to get muddy. I don't know where my brush is. Like, I don't know where they live now. I hope they're happy wherever they are. Just taking a smaller Bedazzling Tools brush, and I'm gonna go over the edges of the red with the same red. You know, just to give it a more precise blend to it. And my foundation is already on, so I'm Gucci. Now I'm taking this Sedona Lace 904. Let's try this BH Cosmetics color here. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Fix Plus here. It's the lavender, not that it matters. I'll be talking about something. Okay, this is talking about something a little bit. Okay, this is not that bad. Is this a shimmer? I don't know. I really want to make sure that's blended out. The inner corner that's not blended. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. Right though, because we're gonna amp it up with some glitter, because that's what I do best. Always want to blend your edges. Always. See that? That's nice. That's cool. You want to keep it like that? Fine. You're basic. Going in with my tried and true, my Glitter Obsessed, my Five Below palette with the light blue. That palette just, it just does it for me every time. It could look really unblended if you don't blend it as you go. Now I'm gonna take my LA Splash glitter. I'm gonna put that right on top. All right, this glitter is messy. Oh my God. Chief, is that you? I'm currently blind because of my glitter and because some of it is in my eye. I don't think I'm doing any liner today. I really want this red and blue to show out and show up. Liner can suck my balls. I like it. And that's the eye look, y'all. Now we're gonna do liner in the waterline, the Rimmel Scandal Eyes. Oh, fudge nuggets. These lashes, oh my God, I can't wait to wear them. These lashes I got from a store in the mall called Love Culture. I put my dual lash glue on. Sorry for the background noise. If you watch my videos, you know. You know. No one, my grandma doesn't care. Guys, when you're putting on lashes, just let the glue dry down. Like, it could take like a few minutes to dry down. Put a thick layer on and let it dry down. That's half the battle of putting on lashes. If you can accomplish putting the glue on properly, you can put them on. Like, putting them on is not that bad. And I'm talking and I'm messing up right now. I had to talk with her. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna, ma fait un bail là. S'il vous plaît. I need silence. What did she do? Go on the phone. Bruh. What I always do is I crunch them together like this. And push them up with my finger. And just powder up. I'm using the L'Oreal True Match C8. I like to be powdered before I do my under eye. Just makes sense to me. I don't know. So we're gonna do the exact same steps on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take this brush. And you definitely want to blend that into the glitter. This will be a nice carnival look. Now we're gonna take that red from the Revolution palette. I'm taking a pencil, no. I'm gonna take this small Jaclyn Hill brush right here. It's the JH39. This is, I don't know if this is my brush. This is my best friend's brush. I'm good. I don't know how I got this. I don't know how I got it by mistake. I'm patting it. Oh, this is a good brush. Yeah. I'm patting it and then bringing it down. Who gonna check me? Now I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm using my roller lash that I love so dearly. I need my eyelashes to stand up. I'm probably going to like try to curl the lashes because right now they're just standing up straight. Alright, and you definitely want to do lower mascara because you need the drama. We here. We've arrived. And always two coats of mascara. I curled my lashes off camera. Now I have my Urban Decay Glam Rock. I'm gonna add some of this as well. Glitter is really the GOAT. Last, lips. I'm gonna do my Wet n Wild brown pencil. Trying to do this lightly. Then I'm going to do a light layer of this ColourPop in the color Trap. I'm doing this lightly because I want the lip gloss to really shine through. This is giving me ash on camera. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip gloss in the color Pisces. Very pretty gloss. The iridescence is my favorite. I don't know if the iridescence can be seen on camera, but
I'm sorry. Didn't mean for things to happen this way. I'm sorry. Never wish I caused my family pain. I'm sorry. Didn't mean for things to happen this way.